Hey guys, welcome to Saratoga Springs. We are in room 8247 and I am super excited because this room is freshly renovated. So freshly renovated that the cast member taking me over here said it was done in the past like 2 months. So, okay, let's talk about this entryway real quick. So, there are nice big entryways in Disney Vacation Club Deluxe Studios. This one has a really nice full-length mirror right here. Also have these, it's like a hanging rack so you can hang your coat or, you know, your mask or whatnot. We turn this way, you'll see the door. This is the door where if you have an adjoined room, you'd access it through this door. At DVC resorts, generally, this is going to be attached to a 1-bedroom villa. So if you're gonna get a 2-bedroom villa, you're gonna get a 1-bedroom villa plus this room. And that'll be accessible right here. That's really nice because it still gives you some privacy. So you can still close and lock this door even if you have family right on the other side of the wall. Okay, let's move on to the little kitchenette area. So you guys know Disney Vacation Club rooms are designed to accommodate things like longer stays and maybe having some food of your own with you. So they have a kitchenette like this. This is a nice looking little kitchenette right here. This is obviously not a full kitchen like you would get in a 1-bedroom villa. This is just a little kitchenette. Let's see what we have here. So we have a microwave. It's rather small, but it's perfect to get what you need warm. And oh, GE appliances. That's kind of nice. We got a Mr. Coffee right here, full-size coffee pot, toaster. I had this toaster. Like not too long ago, I had this exact toaster. Weird. We've got some paper towels, ice bucket, little sink right here so you can wash any dishes you might make. This is really good for if you happen to be buying maybe a refillable mug or if you bring a water bottle like I do. It also has some soap, dish soap, and a sponge as well. So let's see what we have right here. Another fridge, nice new appliance. I'm a little bummed to see that this does not have a freezer in it, even just a little tiny one for an ice pack or something. Mainly because Disney does not allow you to have loose ice anymore. This changed quite a while ago, but one of the things that I like is the ability to have that freezer so you can put a ice pack in there. But it looks like they didn't do that. Oh, there's a light here. Oh, that's nice and bright now. All right, so let's see what we have under here. Just a fire extinguisher and a secret cubby. No, it's just access to pipes and whatnot. And then up here, we have some extra paper towels. We have some wrapped cups and lids. These are really good for taking your coffee with you, and some bowls, plates, wrapped silverware. That's really useful. You'll also see right here is a list of the amenities. We'll have this all listed on the website as well. You'll also notice that there are amenities that you can ask for upon request. So an electric mixer, tea kettle, voltage converter, broom, dustpan, vacuum cleaner. The rooms used to have a vacuum cleaner in them. I'm not sure if they still do. We'll check on that. Portable crib, blender, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. All right. If we turn around, see if I can find the light real quick. All right, we turn around, we have the bathroom vanity area. So we have one sink, we have some towels, some spare toilet paper and tissues. down there. Disney's H2O products. I haven't done an actual review on these yet, but I'll tell you, they're really good. Maybe we'll do a review this trip. I also have some body lotion. This stuff is really nice too. Let's see what else we got going on here. Tissues, they're not open, which is nice. I think that's probably part of the enhanced cleaning we got going on. And we have a makeup mirror. Oh, isn't that exciting? Here we have a closet. DVC resorts usually, oh, this is a fresh one. It's hard to open. Usually have closets. Oh, see, there's a vacuum cleaner right there. So you can vacuum up. DVC resorts do not have cleaning every single day. So you want to make sure that you can clean up any messes you make. Lots of hangers. We have pants hangers as well as regular hangers. Ironing board, and a safe right here. So that's nice. Let's turn around. I'm gonna kick my bags to the side and open up this. Wow, so nice. It's so nice. Okay, so here we have the bathroom. So we have a tub, toilet, and everything looks so nice. There's our towels right there. Here's the smells of bleach. That's what I like. This beautiful glass sliding door. And if we peek in here, interesting. We have a spectacular shower head situation. So we have a rainfall shower. We also have a handheld shower. That's so useful for me. I love that stuff when washing my hair, and just, oh, it's so perfect. I'm so glad that they have it. And then we have some, just tub stuff. And we also have the clothesline, just like you can find elsewhere. This is a really great option if you have bathing suits that are wet and they need to be dried. You can pull this out. I always bring clothespins with me. We'll talk more about that later, I'm sure. Look at this. This is beautiful, isn't it? Goodness gracious. And this little cutout. I'm happy that they have this because man, where do you put your stuff? Where do you put it? Do you stick it down there? That's terrible. So that's really nice. And we have our products right here. Now, this is unlike what you see at other places. They don't actually have the single bottles here. They've got these big bottles that look like they're pretty full, and they've been cleaned. So, all right, let's move on to the main part. And oh my goodness, isn't it beautiful? Saratoga Springs, you have wow, blown me away with this. I was not expecting this, but here we are. So as you guys know, Saratoga Springs is themed to upstate New York. It's also themed to horses, and goodness gracious, aren't these cute? I'm saying goodness gracious a lot. Well, you're just gonna have to deal with it. So we have some horse racing pictures right there. We have this okay, so this looks like an upholstered, and I guess it is an upholstered headboard, but it's like vinyl, which it makes it nice and easy to clean. So that's really nice. Have some bedside lamps here with the chargers. All right, let's see. There is nothing under the bed, so you can definitely put your luggage down there, which is super great. I love that. Here we have another bedside table. Here's something I want to talk about real briefly, because this was a huge complaint that I had the last time I was here, is that there was only a bedside table on one side, and there wasn't enough room. Like, the bed was pushed almost all the way up against the wall. There wasn't enough room to get out on both sides of the bed. And I really disliked that. So the fact that this looks like this, I'm already so happy with this. Okay. So here you'll see the couch Murphy bed situation. And this is something that they are putting into tons of different resorts. Like, it's all over the place now. So I'm not going to do it right this second because I'm just not that coordinated. But you can pull this down and it will open up to another bed. And I have to say, again, with my original complaint with there being not enough space to get out on both sides of the bed, even with this Murphy bed, they have enough space on either side. I'm loving that. So, okay, let's see what else we got going on here. We got a nice little coffee table. Does this open up? It seems like it does, but I don't want to force it. It also moves really easily. So that's ideal for moving it out of the way of the Murphy bed. And then over here, we have a giant television with a dresser. 6 drawers here, and they're pretty sizable. That's pretty nice. All right. So there's the second little bench, and it looks like there's some drawers down here as well. It's another thing you can expect from a DVC resort is to have lots of space to store your stuff. There's a mirror. Lots of mirrors are also useful too. And then here is our balcony. I'll step back so that we can see it a little bit better, but there it is. And I just feel like the luckiest girl in the world because I have a golf course view, which definitely makes me feel more transported than my view at the paddock, which was just like cars. So I am so excited. I'm so excited for this room. I can't believe it because Saratoga Springs was not on my list of places that I was super enthusiastic about, but man, looks great. So I just got here. Oh wow, this is pretty too. I just got here, so I really can't say much about the room itself and how I feel about it. Oh, another thing, ceiling fan. That's great. So, but look forward to a full review of Saratoga Springs, the room, the resort, and just, we're going to go into everything here on the website and on the channel. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.